everyone and welcome back to my channel Embrace Wellness. For those of you new here, my name is Sweeti Addya and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be talking about something which is nutritious and a helpful replacement for a high calorie food and an excellent source of fiber. Yes, I'm talking about chia seeds. Despite their small size, chia seeds are full of important nutrients. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, rich in antioxidants, and provide fiber, iron, and calcium. Including chia seeds in your diet may help a person manage their food cravings while pursuing their weight loss goals. The chia seeds that I use are from the brand Nutriwish. So please continue to watch the entire video to know about the benefits of adding chia seeds to your diet. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. But before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.